Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. This is Baljit from JK. Today we are going to make a quick video how to create QR codes and Microsoft Office totally free. You can create unlimited and Microsoft Office. I will use PowerPoint to create QR code as a test or sample. If you have any website, you have your channel, you have a presentation in Microsoft Office or something you want to send to someone, you can simply create a QR code and send it to them. They can just scan with their phone and they can directly navigate to your website or wherever you have linked to QR code. Now let's start. For this one we will be using PowerPoint. I'm going to close this one because I have already created my channel logo and I have my YouTube link here. That's not a necessary. You can create your presentation and you can have a blank sheet and PowerPoint or Microsoft Excel or any other app, and you just need a link of your website or whatever you want to create QR code. For this one, then you simply have to go on the top menu. First one is home. You need to click on insert, and insert we are going to click on, there is an option called my add-ins. I will click here. As you can see, I have already QR code for Office here. If you don't see here, you simply go to here store, or you can go to get add-ins. You simply click here, you say store, search for QR, and once you search, first option you will see QR for Office. You simply click on add and then you click on continue. As soon as you continue, you will see QR code for Office came to your PowerPoint on one side, so it will show like that. So it's pretty simple, it's not a complicated, really easy to create. So here you can use HTTPS. You can also use HTTP, telephone, SMS, GEO, or you can also create custom. As you can see, my YouTube channel have a HTTP. So in this case, I'm going to use HTTP. The first one I will have a here address where I will paste my YouTube channel link. As you can see, it's showing me custom because I have pasted already HTTP included, but I will delete HTTP because I'm not going to use custom, but you can also use custom, it will work same. I will choose HTTP here. Now I have my YouTube channel. That's all you have to do in the first option. Second option is color. You can also have a colorful QR code. As you can see, I have a red. Everybody have a different standard. You can either have a yellow, but I will leave a black. Now we can talk about the background. Background is white. You can also choose any color of background. I will leave a white. There's a lot of options. You can choose either one you want. Then we have a size. QR code size. As you can see, full size 87 x 87 px. That means what size you want to show on your document. Even you're going to print it, even you're going to take a picture or to send somebody, you can click here and go larger as you want. I will leave it same, like 116 by 16. That's all you are going to do. Error correction, you want to change, or I will leave a 15%. I don't have used this one, but I will leave a 15%. Then now simply we are going to click on insert. Once you click on insert, you will see your QR code is already inserted on your PowerPoint. I will leave it on side. You can also largen size from here. That's all you have to do to create QR code. You can create as many you want. You can add another website. You can insert another one. You can have a one, multiple, up to you. Now we have created If you have your cell phone or any smart device or any camera, you scan this one, it will directly take to you on the linked website. As you can see, I have my YouTube channel. It will take me to my YouTube channel. That's all you have to do to create your QR code. So I will say this was pretty simple for me, and as for you guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you guys like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new topic.